Oh, humid. Good morning, dear subscribers. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do the brakes, front brakes on TT2 2001 model. This one got only 23,000 miles, 2001 53 number. So the rear brake is in perfect shape. I'm not gonna touch them. So that front rotors is wear out. Rear brakes is in perfect shape, yeah. So I'm not gonna even touch them. This truck is sold. You see all the numbers even seen there. Not wear out at all. So front, this truck is going to Nashville, Tennessee. Young couple bought it. They're gonna be driving it daily as a daily drive. So to do the front rotors and brakes, you see the rotors got wear out, got big step here. Yeah, right there. So you'll need a 12 millimeter, 17 millimeter socket. Where is my 17 millimeter? Oh, it's on the bottom probably already. Oh, it's here. 17 millimeter, 12 millimeter. 12 millimeter, you release this bolt right here on the bottom of the support. But before you do that, you gotta depress the, you see that opening there? That's a brake cylinder and the brake pad. And I already depressed it, but when you will do it, you need a screwdriver, small screwdriver. You just put it, and it's so hard to do it myself. How I do it. So basically, let's see. I don't know if I can. Okay. You put your screwdriver here and start pushing. That way you will depress the brake cylinder in. That way when you will install the new ones, it will be perfect depressed inside. Then you can, after you press it a little, you turn your screwdriver like that and keep pressing. Then you can get to another side and do the same. I mean, one side will be enough, it will be depressed. Then that 12 millimeter, here, unscrew that. After that, you lift. That thingy going that with the bolt, little thingy. It's going right here, like that. And then you open them. Again, with one hand, it's gonna be okay. We'll try. Take screwdriver again, lift it up. Lift it up, and then just to put your screwdriver at the beginning here and slowly push the brakes out, and this is it. Here's your brakes. They are wear out. This side almost completely, almost. And then when you get new brakes, don't forget put that metal piece, that cover piece. I'll do it later. Same with another side. You just put the screwdriver. Ding. I should not screw, but I did. Okay. And here's your brakes. Wear out also. Then 17 millimeter. You're going to the rear of the support. That one only if you replacing the rotor. If you don't replace rotor, you don't do nothing. You just replace your brakes, and then you gotta bleed them. Maybe replace the brake fluid if it's dirty. But if you're replacing rotor, it is a 217 millimeters. One here, one there, one here, one there. So you just unscrew them. They are tight. Unscrew them, and then after you unscrew them, that whole mount will come out from the back of the support. You take it off, you remove your support, but then you'll need a more likely your rotor will stuck there. So it's a 2 holes with thread, and I don't remember the size. It's right here. You just no, let me take it off. No, let me take support off. I'll show you. So I took the support out. Here's that holder. The support holds the support. Then you put these 2 screws here. Oy. I don't remember the thread size. Just to go like that. And that's it. It will pop out your rotor. Okay. And that's it. And then you just remove your rotor. Got wear out, yeah. Subaru, for some reason, front. Oh, this is all Subarus right there. A bunch of them. But I don't know. Subaru is good, but like I said, a lot of leaks. Nice truck, I couldn't say nothing. But front brakes for some reason wear out fast. Maybe they good, maybe that's why they wear out. They brake very good. Rear is usually good. But the leaking problem, this one doesn't have any leak. I did service it. And I did service this truck. Now what's good about TT2, they put better, let me grab the light. They put better engine mounts this time. This is a lot more solid, and I like the way it's made. It's kind of resting to the bottom. So this truck got brand new alternator belt, no leaks. But like I said, Subaru usually will have leak around valve cover gasket, camshaft, crankshaft seal, and the one I don't like between transmission and engine seal and insert will have a leak here, which is really not a leak. You'll never see it drip probably, but it's gonna be like wet constantly. Rear brakes in perfect shape, so I'm not gonna touch it. Now I put brand new battery cover on this one. The customer requested, so I put it on. He's getting brand new tires. They are on the back. I'm not gonna replace them because the original one's still good. No cracks, and it's 2019. So 2019, it's not bad yet. So if it will be like 16, 15, I'll just replace them automatically. Those, they might survive another 5 years, yeah. This is it. Simple. Nice truck. No rust at all. Perfect shape. Got some rust on the frame. Gotta be cleaned and just painted with the Rust-Oleum or something. Only one spot. Other than that, I don't see nothing. Yeah, this is perfect. Front outer boots been replaced. Looks like in Japan, brand new. Inner, they look good. No cracks, nothing. I did replace the oil in the front axle. Engine oil replaced. Transmission oil replaced. Yeah. No leaks on the axles. Perfect. This is your clutch. You can always adjust your clutch the way you like it. Never over tight it, or you will burn the clutch. Let's see. Routes here. Oh, some nice pump. Japan. No, nice fuel pump, yeah. Where's the spare? Okay, I need a... Oh, that looks like brand new spare also. And it's not inflated. But he's getting brand new 5 tires. So I will inflate it. Here's the VIN number on the frame. It's right underneath of the spare. Nice truck. Very nice truck. So brakes, simple, dimple. Very easy to do. Okay, I'm waiting for the brakes. I do have actual pads, but I don't have rotors. They're supposed to come today or tomorrow. And I will finish that girl and I'll add these 2 movies together. Okay, this is final video for this truck. Brand new, I just arrived today. Brand new rotors, brand new brakes. Hard to see. Yeah, no, but brand new brakes. Yeah. Brand spanking new brakes. Hard to see from here. Here's this side. So we're gonna deliver this vehicle with Kevin this week. Okay, and here's the part number for the brakes if somebody wants them. And now they're different. Some of the Subarus got different brakes. They're bigger, quite a bit bigger. So this one is for another one. And the rotors part numbers will be here. The rotors is same, it's just the brake pass is different. Okay, I'm gonna put it together. Rear is perfect. The disc, everything wearing is perfect, no wearing at all. Brand new front brakes and rotors. All we gotta do, bleed it today, and that's it. Have a blessed life, have a blessed day, enjoy this hot weather. I'll see you in the next video.